Hi guys, I'm coming back with my next proposition for summer. If you don't know me yet, my name is Becca and I'm addicted to makeup. This look is inspired by some photo which I found on Pinterest and I loved it so much that I decided to recreate it. The main element of this eye makeup that was supposed to get a lot of attention is light blue eyeliner, and I had the most problems with it because I didn't have any eyeliner in such a color, and it was a juggling act to do such a winged liner with only this what I have. Anyway, if you are interested how it came out, please keep on watching. I'm starting blending from medium brown shade. I'm trying to blend this transfer color very well to make a good base for the rest of shadows. I'm highlighting my brow bone a little bit. More precisely, I'm applying this reddish burgundy shadow from Melkior campaign in my crease, and I'm blending it out with blending brush with more precise end, thanks to which this blending is limited only to the crease and doesn't spread throughout the whole eyelid. This eyeshadow has little sparkles, but they are not visible on the eyelid. Here I'm blending any harsh edges with the previous brush and the rest of previous eyeshadow on it. And now I'm darkening the crease even more with dark brown shade from Morphe 39A palette. It's called Forever. When I'm satisfied with blending, I'm gonna make some kind of not too precise cut crease with indefectible Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prepare this area for applying foil eyeshadow. And now I'm just applying this beautiful Sky foil eyeshadow called Tailor from Morphe 39A palette. And blending harsh lines. And here, this is my whim. I've decided to add this dark foil magenta shadow in my outer V just to blend this blue with brown tone shades even more and to give my eyes more halo effect. Next, I'm using sparkle eyeliner in similar blue color as the topper, and I'm applying it on the center part of eyelid. Blend, blend, blend. Now it's time for this luckless light blue eyeliner. As I said at the beginning, I didn't have such eyeliner in my cosmetics resources, but I had two gel eyeliners from Inglot, one in white and second in sapphire. Both dried up and I had to bring their life back with some oil serum. Unfortunately, it hasn't turned out exactly the way I thought it would, so you can see some unwanted grains in it, sorry. On top of everything else, this eyeliner didn't want to dry on the eyelid well because of added oil serum, so I've decided to set it with light blue eyeshadow. Now quick false lashes in quite big clusters. For my face, first I used liquid highlighter from Maybelline, especially on the parts of my face which are dry, to avoid too matte finish of later applied foundation in this area. And the foundation I used was Wet n Wild Photofocus, which has quite matte finish on my skin, and actually I don't need to set it. To cover my dark circles, I'm applying this concealer with little sponge from Maybelline. Blending it in and immediately setting it with fixing powder. Next, I'm coming back to eyes and lower eyelid. First, I'm blending this medium brown shadow, which I was using as a transition shade on my upper eyelid. And next I'm darkening my outer part of lower eyelid with darker brown shadow. And this is the whole blending on the lower eyelid. I'm bronzing the whole face with Hoola bronzer. Not forgetting about ears, of course. To add more highlight to my eyes, I'm applying Lucid eyeshadow from Prism palette from Anastasia in my inner corners. I'm contouring my cheekbones. And I'm applying highlighter from Becca in new shade Vanilla Quartz. It seemed to me so beautiful on my hand, but on my face I think I prefer Moonstone shade. Mascara on bottom lashes. And because my foundation erased my brows makeup a little, I had to correct them. It is pomade from Vivo company here. Finally lips, I bet on something matte and neutral. And that's it, that's the final look. I think that despite the difficulties with eyeliner, this look came out really nice. Let me guys know in the comments what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel to be up to date with my activity. And yes, see you soon in my next makeup routine. Bye!